Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your forgotten password on the Swagbucks application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Swagbucks app on your device, and after you are taken into the homepage, you will see the Continue with Google as well as the Continue with Email option. Now, if you used your Google account through the Continue with Google option to create your account in the first place, then you don't need to worry about any password. You can just tap on this and then click on your Google account to continue logging in. Alternatively, you can tap on Continue with Email, where you will be asked to enter your email address. Just type in the email address that you used while signing up for your account and then click on Continue. You will now be asked to enter your password. Now, since you have forgotten it, tap on the Forgot Password option underneath the Continue button. Now, once you are prompted, just type in the email address associated with your account and then click on Reset Password. You will then be told to check your inbox, where you can find the link that will allow you to change your password. So just check your inbox and then click on this link, and now you will be allowed to enter your desired new password. So just type in your new password that you wish to set and then type it in underneath once again for confirmation. Finally, after clicking on the reset button, your password has successfully been reset. You can now use this new password within the login page to once again regain access to your account. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on the Swagbucks application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.